Welcome to the material session of a Pulsar's Career Point. This is the video for the student of class 11 on Unit 6. The name of the unit is Thermodynamics. It is the part 12 video of this unit covering the topics enthalpy of combustion, caloric value of food or fuel, and the calculation of caloric value and enthalpy of combustion. First of all, know what is enthalpy of combustion. Combustion means burning. Enthalpy is the amount of heat at constant pressure. Enthalpy of combustion means the amount of heat evolved when 1 mole of substance is completely burnt or oxidized in excess of oxygen or air is called enthalpy of combustion at the given temperature. 1 mole of substance excess air of oxygen रे completely burnt बा oxidize हेबा फଳରେ ଯେତିକି amount of heat evolve ହୋଇଥାଏ ଆମେ ତାକୁ enthalpy of combustion ବୋଲି କହିଥାଉ. It is represented by the symbol delta Hc or it is denoted by the symbol delta Hc. Let us compare the caloric value of foods or fuels. आमे food रो caloric value कहले कौन बुझु? The amount of energy produced when 1 gram of substance, it may be food or fuel, is completely oxidized or burned is called its caloric value. आमे caloric value कहले कौन बुझिबो? 1 ग्राम रो food बा fuel excess air of oxygen रे completely burnt होला परे जेतिकी energy produce करे आमे ताकू तारो caloric value बोली कहिताउ. Let us take one example. Methane burns in oxygen to give carbon dioxide and water. Delta H value is given 890.3 kilojoule. We have to balance the equation. After balancing the equation, we find that only 1 molecule of methane is consumed here. So, the enthalpy of combustion of methane is nothing but the delta H value of the reaction, that is 890.3 kilojoule per mole. Let us take another example. Carbon burns in oxygen to give carbon dioxide with the evolution of 393.5 kilojoule amount of energy. Here also only 1 molecule of carbon, 1 mole of carbon is utilized. So the enthalpy of combustion of carbon is minus 393.5 kilojoule per mole. Significance of caloric value. The heat of combustion value, that is caloric value, is responsible for rating the food or fuel. Food or fuel rating ta तारो caloric value ऊपर depend करी था. Problem 1. If enthalpy of combustion of methane is minus 890.3 kilojoule per mole, calculates its caloric value. First we have to take the equation. What is the combustion of methane? Methane burns in oxygen to give CO2 and water. We have to balance it. After balancing, the delta H value is given here minus 890.3 kilojoule per mole. So it is asked to calculate the caloric value of methane. So 1 mole of methane is consumed here. So weight of 1 mole of methane is equal to 16 gram. A gram molecular mass of methane is 16 gram. 16 gram of methane burns to produce energy 890.3. So 1 gram of methane burns to produce minus 55.6 kilojoule amount of energy. Means जेतबेले 1 ग्राम रो methane burn हुए 55.6 kilojoule amount of energy produce हुए. So the caloric value of methane is 55.6 kilojoule per gram. ताले एटी हमको मन रखिया को पड़िबो जेतबेले हम caloric value लिखिबो दिस इज द absolute value of the delta H. Delta H the positive haru बा negative haru आमे सब बेले caloric value जते negativity कोन पय बाहरी छि जेतु ये गुटे एक्सोथर्मिक प्रोसेस. So delta H value कहले डेल्टा एच सी कहले नेगेटिव लिखा किंतु कैलोरिक वैल्यू कहले आम तार मैग्नीट्यूड टी लिखा पड़ो 55.6 किलो जूल पर ग्राम। एबे जीवा आउ गोटे एग्जांपल इन ए गोबर गैस प्लांट गोबर गैस इज ऑब्टेन्ड by the bacterial fermentation of animal refuse. It is found to contain mainly methane, and heat of combustion is given by the equation methane plus 2O2 gives you CO2 plus 2 water is 809 kilojoule per mole. How much gobar gas would have to be produced per day for a small village community of 100 families if we assume that each family has to be supplied 20,000 kilojoule of energy per day to meet all its needs? The methane content in gobar gas is 80% by weight. क्वेश्चन रे कौन दिगला जो गोटे स्मॉल विलेज कम्युनिटी अच्छी जो 100 टी फैमिली बसवास करती जदि प्रति फैमिली पिछा 20,000 किलोजूल अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी दरकार पड़े ताहले सेही ग्राम को जोगेवाई आमको केते गोबर गैस प्रोड्यूस करिया को पड़िबो जदि 80% ऑफ द गोबर गैस टा मिथेन होता है ताहले आमको आगे काढ़ा को पड़िबो 100 फैमिली पाई केते किलोजूल अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी दरकार सेतिकी किलोजूल अमाउंट एनर्जी पाई केते मिथेन गैस दरकार। आफ्टर दैट वी कैन कैलकुलेट द क्वांटिटी ऑफ गोबर गैस। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल here the chemical equation is taking place as follows: methane plus O2 gives CO2 plus water. Here delta C is equal to minus 890 kilojoule per mole. Total energy required for the village 20,000 per family. Number of family is 100. So 2 into 10 to the power 6 kilojoule. Weight of 1 mole of methane, that is gram molecular mass of methane, is 16 gram. Weight of methane required to release 890 kilojoule amount of energy is 16 gram. So 1 kilojoule amount of energy पाए केते methane gas दरकार weight of methane required to release 1 kilojoule amount of energy is 16 by 890 gram. So weight of methane required to release 2 into 10 to the power 6 kilojoule amount of energy is 16 into 2 into 10 to the power 6 by 890 gram, that is equal to 35.95 kg. Gobar gas contain 80% of methane by weight, so 80% of the gobar gas is equal to 35.95 gram. Hence the weight of the required gobar gas is equal to 35.95 into 80 by 100, that is equal to 44.94 kg. This amount of gobar gas is to be produced to supply the total village community. Let us come to another problem. The standard enthalpy of combustion of methane and ethane are minus 890.3 and minus 1559.7 kilojoule per mole respectively. Which of the two has greater efficiency of fuel per gram? क्योंटा बेटर फ्यूल हम आमे अमाउंट देखि कहि परिबु ना आमको तार कैलोरिक वैल्यू काढ़िया को पड़िबो। सो मिथेन रो एंथैल्पी ऑफ कंबशन रु तार कैलोरिक वैल्यू काढ़िया को पड़िबो एवं इथेन रो एंथैल्पी ऑफ कंबशन रु तार कैलोरिक वैल्यू काढ़िया को पड़िबो। कैलोरिक वैल्यू कैलकुलेशन करि सला परे आमे फ्यूल एफिशिएंसी को डिटरमाइन करिबा। मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ मिथेन इज 16 ग्राम, सो मॉलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ इथेन इज 30 ग्राम। 16 ग्राम ऑफ मिथेन हमको 890.3 किलोजूल अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी दिए। सो 1 ग्राम ऑफ मिथेन केते किलोजूल अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी दबो हमको प्रथम कैलकुलेशन करने को पड़िबो। इट इज कैलकुलेटेड टू बी 55.6 per kilojoule. Similarly, standard enthalpy of combustion of ethane is minus 1559.7 kilojoule amount of energy. I mean already gram molecular 30 gram काढ़ी सारिछु, or the amount of energy released by the combustion of 30 gram of ethane is 1559.7 kilojoule. So what is the amount of energy released by 1 gram of ethane? 1559.7 by 30, that is equal to 51.99. ताले मीथेन रो ताले कंबसन कैलोरीफिक वैल्यू आरिला 55.64 whereas ethane रो आरिला 51.99. So which is the greater efficiency? Methane has greater efficiency. So methane has greater efficiency of fuel per gram than ethane. Thanks for watching Bhopal Search Career Point. Please like and share this video. Don't hesitate to ask your doubt in comment section. I must respond to these.